Just wanna see the light.
Hello. This is a code flow. In previous video we have learned what the void update method does. Now in this video we are getting to get the inputted keys from the keyboard by the player. In this situation, when the user will press key from keyboard is not known. So we have to check if the key was pressed or not almost continuously. And we will do it on update function, because update function is executed every time when the frame is changes. Before meshing up, let's have a look on conditional statement. In any programming to check the condition of statement, we will use if-else statement. The basic syntax of if-else statement is like this. Here, in between parenthesis bracket followed by if, we will write the condition which should be check. And if the condition becomes true then, this part of the code will be execute. But if the condition becomes false, then the else part of the code will execute. Let's have a simple example. If 1 equal to 1, debug.log, they are equal. Else, debug.log, they are not equal. Now, when we run this code the message in first part is displayed. This is because 1 is equal to 1, and it is true. In the same code if I change this 1 to 2, then the output of the else part is executed and displayed. Because 1 equal to 2 is false. Okay, now how will we check the key that is inputted by the player? For this we will use input class of Unity engine. Look at this code. Input.getKeyDown, space. In this code input is the class. And getKeyDown is a method which will return true, during the frame the user starts pressing down the key identified by name. In this example the getKeyDown will return true value, if the player will press space key. And return false value, if player will press other key rather than space. Let us see how we can put it all to if statement. If input.getKeyDown, space, debug.log, space is pressed. Jump back to Unity, and run the game. When I press space from keyboard, space is pressed. You can also check the inputted key by another method. In place of writing space, you have to use keycode dot, and choose the key you want to check. Let's check if the numeric keypad 1 is pressed or not. Select or type keypad 1. And also change the output of log statement. Now when you press 1 from numeric keypad, then the output, 1 is pressed is shown in the console. Note, it will not work for the alphabet 1 key. It's a challenge time. Use if-else statement, and check the player's input. If player press 1 then log on a console, by displaying message you have selected level 1 inch. And do similar for 2, and 3. So pause the video now, and give that a go. Welcome back. Jump back to Visual Studio, and figure out how we can do that. We have to check if the keys 1, 2, or 3 is pressed or not from the keyboard. At first I will clear all the code inside update method. We will no more need this test code. Let's begin by writing if statement. So we will use if statement to check if the correct input is given or not. Now, at the condition we will check an inputted key is 1 or not. Input.getKeyDown, keycode.keypad1. And if this is true, or 1 is pressed, then we will log out the console. Displaying the difficulties level is easy. Because we have already asked player to choose respective difficulties level in start method using respective number. We will also do same, if player press 2, or 3. So I will copy this if statement. And paste just below it 2 times. Now we will change the key to 2 and 3. And we will also change their output, like this. Save the project and return back to Unity. When we play the game, this output is displayed from the start method. From here. Now when I press 1 from my keyboard, I will get the output, you have selected easy level. And we will get the respective output while pressing 2 and 3 key. Output will not change if you press other key rather than 1, 2, and 3. We have done lots of stuff until here. Have you done up to it, or have some difficulties? If you have had any problem, then comment below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.